In this video, I'll guide you through how to activate SSL on Bluehost so your website shows as secure with that little padlock in the browser bar. We'll go step by step inside your Bluehost account, and by the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for. First, make sure you're logged into your Bluehost portal in your web browser. This is the main dashboard where you manage your hosting, domains, and websites. Once you're on that main screen, take a look at the menu running down the left-hand side. You'll see several options there, and the one you want to click on is labeled Websites. Go ahead and click on Websites. This will open a page that lists all the websites connected to your Bluehost account. If you only have one website, you'll just see that single entry. If you have multiple, they'll all be displayed here, usually with a thumbnail or a basic description so you can tell them apart. Next, find the specific website where you want to activate SSL. To the right of that website, you'll see a button that says Manage. Click on Manage to open the management area for that particular site. This is where Bluehost keeps all the settings related to performance, security, backups, and other tools. Once you're in the management area, look along the top of the page for a row of tabs. These tabs might include things like performance, settings, or similar options. The one you're interested in is labeled Security. Click the Security tab to open up all the security-related options for your site. On the security page, scroll if you need to, and look for a section called SSL Certificate Let's Encrypt. This is where Bluehost integrates a free SSL certificate provided by Let's Encrypt. An SSL certificate is what encrypts the connection between your visitors' browsers and your website, helping protect sensitive information and signaling to browsers that your site is secure. In that SSL certificate Let's Encrypt section, you'll see a switch or toggle that controls whether SSL is active for your site. If it's currently off, that's why your site may be showing as not secure in the browser. To activate SSL, simply toggle the switch to the on position. After you turn it on, Bluehost may need a little time to issue and install the SSL certificate in the background. This usually happens automatically. In many cases, the change is fairly quick, but it can take several minutes to fully propagate. If you don't see the padlock icon right away when you visit your site, give it a bit of time and then refresh your browser. Once the SSL is active, your website should load over HTTPS instead of HTTP, and visitors will see that secure padlock in the address bar. If you're not seeing it after some time, try clearing your browser cache or checking your site from an incognito or private browsing window. That's all there is to it. You've gone into your Bluehost portal, opened the website section, managed your chosen site, navigated to the security tab, found the SSL certificate, Let's Encrypt area, and toggled SSL on. With that done, your site is on its way to being secure for your visitors.